Iakren benta jongga kubor la wanras pi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Ka Sorkar jelak la dap manpha ya kecing Jingmut syak Sorkar Pdeng hadin bakal yo Pdeng ya kecing penpau jong kikat tukat ni ban khot Iakren no ya kenhun ke ngatiar nyotrap National Liberation Council ne Hnlc kabari ka kenhun kai klau kabara sak hen bian ubak Prestone dan song habakran bat kilat thai khubor henen ka absan tarik unjliu ulong ba ka Sorkar kan i bet ha kecing start jong ka Sorkar Pdeng ba kan pinya syakmat ya ka kam kumba ka jule haba ka khot Iakren Iasuk kenhun ke ngatiar ke belasya nyo bian Habakali la Sorkar kan phathung ya uksiang ban pun urlong ya kate Iakren Iasuk menteri rang ba ban rap jela ulong kadang kloy palat ban ong AA menta bat ka Sorkar jela kaladap ban pha ya Jingmut wa Prestone ulong ru ba ai bakin khmi mi aswa bat ka Sorkar Pdeng kala ban khot Iakren ya ka Sorkar jela bat on sala ban pun kre ya ki kendon Iakren Iasuk Habakali ke kanong rim jong Sorkar jela ha kabayde ba ka terwa Iakren Iasuk ke Hnlc ubat ten song ulong ka jingkhang kapli ban Iakren Iasuk halo kanong rim bade ban sange shwa ye ki kam ya snam Henry lada ha kawai kaliang kibeteng ya ka kam ya snam bat ha kawai kaliang pat ki kwa ban Iakren Iasuk utrai kamlong ga bay hap setiam.
As of today, Hnlc organization has been banned. Okay, banned. Then, if you talk about the negotiation or discussion across the table, because this notification came in not from the state government, it is from the central government. We have already communicated to the central government because we receive feelers also from the government side. We have already communicated now to the central government, and the central government will take a call on that. The stand of the government is very clear. Please stop violence, and then the door will be open for talks. If in one hand you continue your violent activities, in one hand you said we want to have a peace talk, I think that is not fair. That's what we appeal, we request that stop violent activities, illegal activities, and then yes, talk should happen.